Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can find your Wi-Fi password on your computer. So let's get started. If your computer is already connected to a Wi-Fi network and you need to see the password, the process is very simple. First, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the Wi-Fi icon. This will open the list of available wireless networks. Next, find the Wi-Fi network that your computer is currently connected to. Click on the information icon, usually shown as an I next to the network name. This will open the network details window. Once the window opens, scroll toward the top of the page until you find the option labeled Wi-Fi Network Password. You should see a Show button next to it. Click on Show, and your Wi-Fi password will become visible on the screen. In addition to displaying the password, your computer may also generate a QR code. Anyone with a smartphone can scan this QR code to connect to the Wi-Fi network automatically, without having to type the password manually. This is a quick and convenient way to retrieve your Wi-Fi password whenever you need to connect another device or share internet access with someone else. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.